Hey guys, in today's video we're going to go over how to do a press releases. That's right, how to do a press releases, how to do a press releases. This is part 3 of a 4-part series in which I'm going over how to do press releases, exactly how we do the press releases, and the whole step, including making the YouTube videos to rank on YouTube. So let's go ahead and dive right in on how to make press releases. In an earlier video on part 1, you saw me make the blog post for this website right here. In part 2, we made the YouTube video, and now we've embedded the YouTube video, okay? Part 3 is taking the same press release now and using this blog as a press release. So we're going to get started with that. We use Signal Genesis for this. The entity's already in here, logo, website, information, all that. We want it on their social networks. We choose that. We hit continue. And then we enter our press release right here. Literally, it's this simple. It's not that difficult to do these. These will send, if you will, what we call signals or Google signals over to the GMB, and the GMB back and forth to the website. They are interconnected, so that's why we're doing it. And then we go over here, we're going to copy this entire thing in its entirety, images and all. You can literally copy the whole thing. Okay, once we did it inside the blog, it's pretty much copy paste. We always want always these images. If you watch part 1, how we hot link these images are from the GMB posts, and yes, they're linked back to the GMB post. Now we also have this post, see our previous blog post, so it's daisy chained to the previous post. Now at the very top of this, we want to embed the YouTube video, so we're going to go over here. We'll grab the YouTube video. Let's go over here, let's watch it on YouTube real quick. This is the complete optimized video, if you will. So now we're going to go up here, grab this, get the share link, hit the embed code, grab that, copy it, right? And then we're going to go back over to our press release. We're going to go view, source code. We want it right here, right? Hit save. Now our video is now embedded. We have our hot link embedded. We have our previous, if you will, blog post. We also daisy chain this back to the original press release. So we get the original press release, and we're going to daisy chain that straight back. Okay, daisy chaining it simply means going back to or the previous press release, the previous blog, what have you. Okay, so that's what we're doing whenever we're daisy chaining anything, or that's what we mean when we say to daisy chain something. Okay, so we have done that. We've daisy chained it back to the previous press release, back to the previous blog post. We go through everything. We got images being used. We want a summary. The summary is pretty much a summary of what this blog post is going to be about. Blog summary. It can't be the same, has to be a little bit different. The Signal Genesis basically is really cool because it tells you pretty much, okay, this is the problem, this is what you need to do. If it's in red, fix it. If it's not in red, you're cool. Hit continue. When do you want it to be published? What's the file? What's the image you want to use? Everything is on here, right? And we're just going to use it from the actual website. We want to use the same image. We could even use a blog post image and put that in there as well. My internet's been acting up all day today, so it's slow, loading very slow. So that's why it looks like that, because this is loading slow. My internet has been all jacked up today. Gonna have to talk to the internet service provider and get that fixed. But so this image right here is the image we'll be using. I'll drag and drop that and drop it right in there. It's uploaded. That's your feature image. We want to choose the main channel. Once we choose the main channel, you can even Google Alexa or voice. Okay, category. This is going to be health, or generally health, or dental. Publishing date's going to be tomorrow. Time doesn't really matter. Don't want to display, want to white label it. It's 15 credits. Click here to confirm and hit continue. It shows you what the press release looks like. Also inside that press release, it will have the actual Google My Business, not a map embed, but the actual API Google Maps is tied in there as well. We hit publish PR. Once it's done publishing, it'll tell you, okay, the summary must be at most 45 words. So it's basically telling us, oh, it's too long, fix it. We fix that, hit continue, hit continue. Once we're done with that, hit publish PR. All right, once we're done publishing it with Signal Genesis, it will go into a pending status. Once it clears, it's completely published. Then you're good to go. The next step is, after we're done with this, part 4 is going to be putting these on the Google News Network. And I'm going to show you exactly how we do that step by step. I appreciate anything. If you have any questions or want my spreadsheet on how we do this whole 4-step process, make sure to comment below and I'll get that over to you. And you guys have a great day and be blessed.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think you're an SEO god, but you're an SEO fraud. Guess I'm the SEO devil, shouting fuck the SEO guys. White hat SEO doesn't make sense, going with the goody goodies. Up in heaven.